What if I told you that 90% of online course creators are making the same critical mistake that's killing their student engagement and completion rates? Let me paint a picture that might sound painfully familiar. You've spent months creating what you think is amazing course content. You upload your videos to a basic platform. You wait excitedly for students to enroll. Then reality hits. Your completion rates are barely 20%. Students are asking for refunds. They're saying your course feels boring and disconnected. You're watching other creators succeed while you're stuck wondering what you're doing wrong. Well, here's what I discovered after helping hundreds of course creators transform their results. The secret isn't better content, it's creating an interactive learning ecosystem that keeps students engaged from day one. And there's one platform that makes this incredibly simple. It's called LearnWorlds. Let me walk you through the exact 5-step system that's been changing everything for course creators. First, you need to transform your videos into interactive experiences. Instead of uploading static videos, use LearnWorlds' interactive video editor. Add clickable buttons, embedded questions, and pop-up offers directly inside your videos. Why does this work? Because passive watching becomes active participation. Your students can't zone out when they're constantly engaging with your content. The specific benefit? Students retain 80% more information and are 3 times more likely to complete your course. Next, build your professional learning hub using the drag-and-drop website builder to create a branded learning environment. No coding required. Choose from professional templates and customize everything to match your brand. This works because students perceive higher value when your course looks professional. The benefit? You can charge premium prices and students are proud to share your content with others. The third step is to gamify the learning journey. Add digital badges, completion certificates, and progress tracking. Set up challenges and create leaderboards. This taps into basic human psychology. We're wired to seek rewards and compete with others. Your students will actually look forward to completing lessons because each milestone feels like an achievement. Fourth, create a thriving community by activating the community features to let students connect with each other. Set up course-specific discussion spaces and general networking areas. Why is this powerful? Students support each other, reducing your workload while increasing engagement. Plus, they're less likely to request refunds when they feel connected to a community. Finally, launch your mobile app using the mobile app builder to give students access on any device. Your course becomes available 24/7, offline capable, with push notifications. This works because modern learners expect mobile access. The result? Higher completion rates and better student satisfaction scores. Now, I was skeptical at first too. I thought, this sounds too good to be true. There's got to be a catch. But here's what changed my mind. Everything I just described is built into one platform. No complicated integrations, no monthly fees for multiple tools, just one simple solution. The results speak for themselves. After implementing this system, one of my clients saw their course completion rates jump from 18% to 73% in just 6 weeks. Another client doubled their course prices and actually saw enrollment increase because the perceived value was so much higher. So here's what I want you to do. LearnWorlds offers a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. Spend the next 7 days setting up your first interactive course using these 5 steps. Don't wait until you have perfect content. Start with what you have and make it interactive. Remember, the difference between struggling course creators and successful ones isn't the topic they teach, it's how they deliver that information. Small changes in your learning experience create massive changes in your results. Your students are waiting for someone to guide them properly. Why not make that someone you?